In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Obsidian notes. If you use Obsidian to write, plan, or research, exporting to a PDF is a simple way to share a clean, fixed version of your note or archive it outside your vault. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can get a polished PDF with the settings that make the most sense for your content. First, open Obsidian. Make sure you're looking at the exact note you want to export. If you have multiple notes open in tabs or panes, click into the one you want so it's active. It's always a good idea to give the note a quick scan to confirm headings, images, and links look the way you expect in the editor. Now, move to the top right area of the note and click the three-dot menu. This is the More Options menu for the current note. From that menu, choose Export to PDF. Obsidian's built-in exporter will open a panel with options that control how your note looks on the page. In the Export panel, you'll see an option to include the file name as the title. Turn this on if you want the note's file name to appear at the top of the PDF. This is helpful when you use consistent naming, like dates or project codes, so the PDF clearly identifies itself. Next, choose your page size. Pick the size that matches your region or audience. Letter is common in North America. A4 is standard in many other places. If your note has wide tables or code blocks, consider whether that will fit comfortably on the selected page size. You can also adjust orientation, margins, and downscale %. Orientation lets you switch between portrait and landscape. Landscape can prevent wrapping on wide content. Margins control the white space around your text. Slightly larger margins can make dense notes more readable when printed. Downscale % reduces image size to keep the PDF smaller. If your note includes high-resolution screenshots, lowering this value can significantly shrink the file size while keeping things legible. When your settings look good, click Export to PDF in the panel. Obsidian will generate the file and open your system's Save dialog. Choose the folder where you want the PDF to live, update the file name if needed so it's descriptive and easy to find later, and click Save. That's it. Your note is now exported as a PDF with the formatting and options you selected. You can repeat the same process for any other notes that need a clean, shareable version. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you export your Obsidian notes with confidence.